Hello everyone, check these out. These are pollen filters for the Jaguar XJS. So if you ask any of the parts suppliers whether pollen filters were an option on old Jags like this, they all say no. And if you take a look under the dash for typical places that they'd fit, like for example a pull-out tray or similar, like you get in more modern and normal cars, you don't find anything. And if you take a look through the Jaguar parts catalogue, or indeed this Jaguar parts retail price list, you won't find them listed, and yet here they are. It's all a bit weird, really. Now, pollen filters or cabin filters are in general a good idea, even if you don't suffer from hay fever, etc., and especially if your car uses AC, mainly because they keep the evaporator clean. Without them, you get this black road traffic fumes build up, which isn't very nice. And if you drive an old car for a long time without cleaning the interior, you'll sometimes be able to see the build up on the surfaces inside. So without filters, your evaporator gets very dirty. So taking a look at these then, these are part number JLM11108. They look like this, one side yellow, one side black. And if we just take a look at the fitting instructions that came with them. So you can see, here we go, Jaguar XJS up to 1992 model year, so pre-facelift. That is how they're installed. It looks like the rest of it's in French. So it initially looks kind of strange how they fit, but yeah, what it looks like they do is you remove this cowling from where the wipers sit, and they sort of go within the metalwork of the car, kind of here, within the ducting that makes its way round here to where the fan intake is located. So taking a look at the filters themselves, their construction is actually quite interesting. They're not like a typical filter where you just have pleats and they completely filter the air. They're kind of this sandwich design of alternating holes in this sticky foam stuff, and I guess they work on the principle of kind of air changing direction. So the air comes through those holes and then goes through the next lot and then has to go round like that, and the particles in the air fall out of suspension and stick to this stuff. So yeah, kind of interesting, and kind of a designer filter in a car I've not seen before. Here's a picture I found of the scuttle panel removed from the XJS. So you can see kind of where they go. They just sort of shove in that gap just there, and they're shaped to fit in that entranceway perfectly. And then the air flow kind of comes through the grille, through the filter, goes along here and then down into the fan at the back there, one each side. So they're incredibly simple, both in construction and fitment. And yeah, interesting. It turns out pollen filters were made and were an option for the XJS. I can't remember exactly where I got these from, possibly eBay old stock or similar, but I'm sure supplies are floating around somewhere if you fancy getting some. And just in case you fancy making your own, here's a shot zoomed in, perpendicular to the surface, so you can see the shape against a scale. I guess you'd screenshot this with the scale and use as a template in CAD software, etc. But just in case that's useful, there we go. And the final question, I guess, is should I bother to fit them? Well, it's a bit of an effort to do so, but I may do. I'm sort of interested to see what impact these have on the airflow, as they do look quite restrictive to me. But anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you found this interesting, and cheerio.